Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by establishing your baseline cadence and a clear target. Use a cadence sensor or count strokes for 15 seconds and multiply. This gives you an accurate baseline. Once done, pick a realistic target RPM range, say 80 to 95 for endurance or 100 plus for high tempo, and shift to a gear that lets you pedal freely into that band. Make sure to feel the resistance. Too light will spike RPM, too heavy will crush it. Aim for controlled spinning. Once warmed up, move into structured intervals to train the neuromuscular pattern. You do short efforts. Hit your target RPM for 2 minutes, then recover for 2, repeating 3 to 6 times. During each effort, use small gear shifts to maintain cadence rather than mashing harder. This trains your legs to maintain RPM under varying load. Make sure to increase either duration or intensity, only about 10% each session, so your body adapts without injury, and monitor breathing and perceived exertion. You finish by turning short-term gains into consistent habits through regular practice and data. Train 3 times a week, logging cadence, time, and how hard it felt so you can adjust progressions. If your RPM consistently falls below target, shorten efforts or drop one gear. If it jumps too high, increase resistance slightly to rebuild strength. Finally, if numbers look off, troubleshoot. Clean and lube the drivetrain, check tire pressure, and recalibrate the cadence sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.